A particle of mass m and charge q has been projected from ground as shown in figure. Mark out the incorrect statement. XY plane is vertical. So here electric field is uniform, but direction of electric field is not specified. That is the problem. So we can assume any direction for this electric field because we have to mark out the possibilities. The path of motion the particle may be parabolic. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. If we assume that electric field is directed along the negative y-axis and it is uniform, then we know that it is going to be a parabolic path, as is the case in case of gravity. The path of motion the particle may be a straight line. Yes, it may be a straight line because if we assume the electric field along the initial velocity, then what will happen? The electric force will be acting in the same direction. The particle will be moving along the same line only. So A is correct, B is correct, but note that we have to find the incorrect statements. So C option, the time of flight of the particle may be 2u sin theta upon g. So in this case, when we assume that electric field is vertically downward, then time of flight of the particle may be 2u sin theta upon g. So by appropriately setting the value of the E, means if we assume g equal to QE divided by m, then yes, the time of flight may be 2u sin theta upon g, as is the case in the projectile motion. Range of motion the particle can be less than, greater than, or equal to u square sin 2 theta upon g. This one is not correct because range has to be precisely this. So option D will be the correct option in this question because we have to mark out the incorrect statement. So ABC, all three statements are possibly correct. Only the option D is not correct. So D is the answer.